In recent decades, Turkey has demonstrated great ambition to strengthen its defense industry. One tangible demonstration of this effort is the development and production of the modern T129 ATAK helicopter. This helicopter is not only the backbone of the Turkish Army's air power, but also a symbol of the country's success. The assembly line begins with the manufacture of the main structure, or airframe. The T129 ATAK helicopter's fuselage is constructed from lightweight yet strong composite materials to increase durability and reduce weight. At this stage, parts such as the fuselage, stub wings, and tail frame are manufactured separately before being assembled into a single unit. Other critical components, such as the main rotor and transmission system, are assembled according to the same standards to ensure consistent quality. Turkish Aerospace Industries is responsible not only for production, but also for logistical support throughout the helicopter's life cycle, including maintenance and upgrades. The T129 ATAK is powered by the LHTEC-TS800 for a turboshaft engines. This engine was developed by the international LHTEC Consortium, a collaboration between Rolls-Royce and Honeywell. Each engine is capable of producing around 300 to 1,400 shaft horsepower SHP, providing sufficient total power to support a wide range of combat missions. This helicopter carries a 20mm automatic cannon mounted in the nose and is capable of carrying guided and unguided rockets. One of its main weapons is the domestically produced anti-tank missile, designed to destroy armored vehicles with high accuracy. Another advantage of the T129 ATAK lies in its integrated modern avionics and sensor systems. This helicopter is equipped with an advanced targeting system, infrared cameras, and nighttime operation capabilities. This technology allows pilots to detect and engage targets with high precision, even in adverse weather conditions or low visibility. The T129 ATAK is designed as a highly agile light attack helicopter that is effective in close air support, armed reconnaissance, and anti-tank operations. Its relatively light weight allows it to maneuver quickly in mountainous areas and difficult terrain, which frequently characterize the Turkish military's operational areas. In the defense industry context, the production of the T129 ATAK has had a significant impact on Turkey. This program has encouraged the development of local technology, created jobs, and enhanced domestic research and innovation capabilities. Furthermore, Turkey is now capable of producing most of the helicopter's components independently, including weapon systems and control software. The T129 ATAK is not only used by the domestic military, but has also attracted interest in the international market. Several countries have expressed interest in acquiring this helicopter as part of their armed forces modernization. Exporting the T129 ATAK is a strategic step for Turkey to expand its influence in the global market while increasing revenue from the defense industry sector. However, the development of the T129 ATAK was not entirely smooth sailing. One major challenge was the reliance on foreign-made engines, which hindered exports due to licensing restrictions. This prompted Turkey to develop its own helicopter engine as part of its long-term strategy toward full self-sufficiency in the defense industry. Overall, the T129 ATAK represents a significant achievement for Turkey in building a modern and independent military force. This helicopter not only offers impressive combat capabilities, but also reflects the country's technological and industrial advancements. With continued investment in research and development, Turkey has the potential to become a major player in the global defense industry in the future. The success of the T129 ATAK also provides an important lesson for other countries. With a clear vision, consistent investment, and strategic collaboration, self-reliance in defense technology is possible. Turkey has proven that even developing countries can compete in this highly complex and competitive industry.